maybe because it's wet.
We're smoking.
Look.
Smoking from here.
Maybe because it's wet. No, I mean maybe because that good.
It worked the first time without the bag. Maybe it's building up though. Anyhow, it's ready to process after this first fluff. You take to the shop.
What shop?
Our machines. Processing machines. Can't put those long things in the processing machine. Can't put those in the processing machine. We pre-process it here and then take the bags to the shop. So.
Yes. So yeah, what's next?
What do you mean?
Every time we come here, we chop here?
Yeah, we chop here, we take it there and we mix it with our other ingredients.
Oh, this is the size?
Yeah, this would be the size, obviously.
And it can make it smaller?
Yeah, it classifies it there.
But it needs to be dry though?
Probably. It would work better if it's dry, it would process faster. Otherwise it could gunk that machine up too, like this one. The drier you're quite, just like a crusher for rocks. The drier the rocks are, the better it works.
Okay, then how do you take this out now?
Just take the machine apart. Take these for a bolt saw. Unless you can get it from here. Maybe there's a quick release here. No, these are bolts too. This thing swings sideways, see? Take these two bolts, this whole thing swings sideways, and you clean it out.
We should try clean it out now, no?
We don't have tools. We need wrenches and stuff.
No. Oh, look here.
No, what are you going to do? Only clean the top with that.
Look.
You have to take this off. Hello, everything's stuck down here.
Yeah, but
in the mill.
Whatever it is, can we not take this off?
That's not going to do you anything.
Or maybe this was closed.
Hey, look at these almost came out.
Huh?
These almost came out. This is closed.
Maybe take this one.
You're going to get nothing in there. So it's up as far as your hand reaches. It's all caught in the mill. The mill has to be cleaned out.
Just take this.
You take this off and that off.
You don't want it?
Yeah, but you don't take it out. You got to clean the whole mill now. That little bit there is not going to make any difference. Much a difference. So watch this, do this to the skim loose. Tighten all this stuff up. Anyhow, we should probably grease all these nipples too. Because I don't know if they're greased. It doesn't look like it. See? Don't see any grease there. Need to grease all these nipples. Monday we take it apart. Grease all the nipples. Check the belts aren't too...
Oh, this opens.
Yeah, but you need a wrench, see? On this side, the bolt. You open it up and you clean your mill out. Then that'll all fall down. If it doesn't fall down, you have to take these bolts off. Clean that in there. So I guess we should.
Maybe
it's gunked up in there at the mill because it couldn't find a way out. The first one went out fine, as far as we know. Maybe partly didn't. It seems to have come out fine. Gonna collect more grass. So, we tried milling the grass, but it's just too wet and it packed up the machine. It's got to be dry to process. See, the mill's right full down here. Right full of googly-doop. And the chute outside, also full. So, but it works good. That's what we need to do so we can get it into our food processing machine.